How to fix something went wrong error on Steam. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error on Steam. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, we need to press Windows and R in order to open the Run dialog box. Once you have opened, you need to hit %app data %. Then you need to press OK. Now that you're here, you need to go ahead and find the Steam folder. Once you find it, you need to right click on it and then you need to go ahead and delete. This will delete all the caches. Once you have done that, this might help you resolve the issues, but if it does not, we need to simply close it. Now we'll go ahead and open command prompt. So you need to again press Windows and R, and from here in the search you need to type cmd. This will open up the command prompt. Once you're in the command prompt, we'll type the command in order to restart your internet connection. In order to do that, the first command is ipconfig /flush DNS. Once you do that, you need to press enter, and now we'll go ahead and enter second command, that is netsh winsock reset. Once you do that, you need to go ahead and press enter again. Once you do that, you need to go ahead and enter netsh int IP reset, and once you do that, you need to hit enter. Now as you can see that we have successfully run the command. You need to simply go ahead and restart the computer in order to complete this action. And that's it. This might help you resolve the issue. If it does, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.